Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a very famous micro job website named Micro Workers. So in this website you can just work and earn and offer a micro job. So all you have to do is just register and log in from there, and there is hardly any people who works in online and don't know about this site. So let's go, as I have already opened my account and I worked here, so I don't have to register. So I'll log in from there. You can see 13 jobs available to you. You should only accept jobs you are capable of finishing. So you can see the payment and success rate and done rate here. You can see the payment rates are 14, 05, 90 cent, 20, 20, 10 cent, 10 cent. So for example, YouTube plus search plus watch plus like plus subscribe plus comment plus upload plus dot. Okay, this will give you $19 and the success rate is 100%. So let's just go there. You can see work done 79 by 200. That means among 20 people, 79 already done this work, and you will earn $0.90. Task takes less than 16 minutes to finish. So what is expected from workers? Go to YouTube, search for toy review, click this video. You have to click this video, and number 4 is watch at least 16 minutes of the video. It is very important to watch at least 16 minutes of the video. If you're tired of watching, you can simply keep the video playing in the background for at least 13 minutes. 5. After 15 minutes of watching, subscribe to the channel, very important. 6. After 15 minutes of watching, like the video. 7. After 15 minutes of watching, comment something real and of course related to the video, or reply to the top comment. Give a comment about. After doing the above tasks, please watch at least a few minutes of below videos and then subscribe and like them. Required proof the task was finished. Send me link to your comment. Send me link to your comment. Send me the name/link of your YouTube channel so I can check if you did the tasks correctly. For bonus, send me the social media link. Okay, if you accept this job, you have to work for there for 60 minutes. You have to watch a video for 60 minutes, comment there, like there, and upload there. So if you're not interested in this job, then leave this job, or if you like this job, then you can work here. So as you can see, other jobs I had. Gmail, create an account. Let's just check another. Gmail, create account, work done 75 by 80. So that means among 80 people, 75 are already done this work. You will earn 0.08%. Task takes less than 3 minutes to finish. So job ID EFF19FE3CFC4. So workers in this group are 1188452. Max position per worker is 1. So you can see that what is expected from workers.